In the world of electric vehicles, even the most advanced technology can encounter challenges. For vehicle manufacturers, a holistic diagnostic solution is needed for an efficient repair process. AVL DiTEST offers a complete off-the-shelf solution, which can also be tailored to your needs. We want to show you a typical e-mobility repair cycle step by step. The first step is a detailed diagnostic using AVL DiTEST weLINK and the AVL DiTEST diagnostic software. The software shows the error internal resistance too high. You are able to read out the most important parameters, such as cell voltage, cell temperature, and insulation resistance. There are several possible reasons for an internal resistance out of range. For example, degradation, defect cell, bus bar, or wiring resistance. Now you know the vehicle's status and can proceed with the next steps.